Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add an app to your Shopify store. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then head on over to Shopify.com and log into your account so you can easily follow along with the instructions. Once you are now on Shopify, head on over to the left side and go to Apps. Once you click on it, you will now be redirected to the search bar. In here, you need to look for Textify. Hit enter and then you will now be redirected to another tab. In here, you just need to wait for the website to finish fully loading. Now, you're going to be in apps.shopify.com or the App Store. Once you're here, look for text box, text field by Textify. Click on it and then click on the button that says Add App. It is color black, so it's a lot easier to spot it. Once you tap on it, wait for the website to finish loading. And then in here, it is the installation process. Over at the installation process, all you have to do is click on Install App, a green button on the upper right. Now tap on it. And then in here, it should now be added to your Shopify store as an application. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.